Hello, food enthusiasts. Introducing TouchSuite, a merchant and payment processing and POS system. Are you ready to learn how to set up a payment gateway for your restaurant? Today, we'll take you through the process step by step. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below. Understanding the importance of payment gateway solutions. These systems not only streamline transactions but also provide a secure environment for handling sensitive financial information. When choosing a solution, consider factors like transaction fees, ease of integration, and compatibility with your restaurant management system. The dynamics of credit repair payment processing. Seek a payment gateway that understands the intricacies of this high-risk industry, ensuring that your transactions are not only smooth but also compliant with industry regulations. High-risk credit card processing, a pragmatic approach. Explore options for high-risk credit card processing to ensure that your restaurant can cater to a broader customer base without compromising financial stability. The Shield, financial data protection. Look for a payment gateway that emphasizes financial data protection through encryption and other security measures. This not only protects your customers but also enhances your restaurant's reputation. Navigating the complexities of CBD merchant accounts. A CBD merchant account facilitates seamless transactions for businesses dealing with CBD products. Ensure that your payment gateway supports such accounts to tap into the growing market while adhering to legal and financial requirements. The digital frontier, online payment gateway integration. Integrate a system that provides a user-friendly experience for your customers while offering features like order tracking and quick checkout. This not only enhances customer satisfaction but also contributes to increased revenue. Merchant processing demystified. Understanding the nuances of merchant processing is crucial for optimizing your restaurant's financial operations. Choose a payment gateway that streamlines the entire process, from authorization to settlement, ensuring that your restaurant operates seamlessly. Guarding the fortress, fraud prevention in payments. This includes real-time monitoring, authentication processes, and machine learning algorithms that can identify and prevent suspicious transactions, safeguarding both your restaurant and your customers. And for those looking for trusted payment solutions, be sure to visit TouchSuite's website. With over 20 years of experience and trusted by 50,000+ companies worldwide, from startups to global brands, TouchSuite is your go-to payment provider. Goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video.